Good morning, Primary 4. How are you? I wish you all are fine. Back again to the second term, and let's see what's our lesson for today. Our lesson for today is Unit 1, Lesson 4. Okay, decimal numbers. Let's see our lesson. Okay, decimal numbers. What's the meaning of decimal numbers? Fractions which have denominator 10 can be written with a point called decimal point. Like what? When I write, for example, 2 over 10. Okay, 2 over 10. How can I write it? Okay, I write 0. Okay, I write 0. Okay, point 2. If my denominator is 10, so I write only one number before the point. Okay, how can I read it? 0.2. 3 and 6 over 10. So I write the whole number 3 instead of 0 up. Okay, point 6 over 10. It means 6 over 10. It means I write just one number after the point. So I write number 6. How can I read it? 3.6. Okay, let's see what's after. Okay, he said what? 3.8. 3 is a whole number. Okay, and 0.8 is the decimal part. So I put point, okay, according to the fraction. If he said the denominator is 10, so I have to write the point after just one number. Okay, let's see more examples. Convert the following to a decimal form. For example, 53 over 10. I have two ways. Okay, and I have to keep the two ways. Okay, 53 over 10. Okay, I will search for a number divisible by 10. So this number must start with 0 in units place. Excellent. So 53, the closure is 60 or 50? Yes, 50. So I write 50 over 10 plus 53 minus 3 equal, it will be 50. 3 minus 50 will give me 3. Like what? Like this. 53 minus 50 equals 3. So the remainder is 3. So I can write it as 50 over 10 plus 3 over 10. Okay, 50 over 10 equals 5. Okay. And 3 over 10, still 3 over 10 as a fraction. Okay, this is a mixed number. Okay, so I can write it as 5 and 3 over 10. Okay, how can I write it in a decimal number? Okay, I said the whole number is 5, so I write 5. Okay, 3 over 10, so point, and I write number 3. Okay, another one, or the other method, or the other way. Okay, 53 over 10, I write 53. Okay, 10, I said it's 10, so I have to put the decimal point after just one number or one digit from the right. For example, I start from here 3, so I write a point here. Okay, again, we'll do it again. Okay, 53 over 10, I write 53. Okay, that's 10. 10 means 10, so I have to move from right one step and put the point, that's number or the first digit, so I write the point here. So the answer will be 5.3, and you have to keep the two ways or two methods. Okay, for example, or another example, 289 over 10. How can I write it as a decimal number? Okay, I have two ways. Way number 1, I will write 289. I said how many zeros down? It's just 1 0. So I start from right and put the decimal point after just one digit. So 9, it's digit number 1, so I write the point here. Okay. He said what? Or the way number 2. Okay, what should I do? I will search about number divisible by 10 and it's less than 289. So the answer will be 280 over 10 plus 9 over 10 equal 280 over 10 equal 28. Okay, because 0 divided by 0 equals 0. 28 divided by 1 equals 28 plus 9 over 10. Okay, it's easy? No, sorry, it's not simple, so I have to write 28 and 9 over 10. Okay, that's mixed number with a fraction that has 10 as the denominator. So can you write it as in another way? Yes, I can write it as a decimal number as he asked it. Okay, so I write 28.9. Okay, 28.9. Okay, it's easy or difficult? I think it's very easy. Okay, convert the following to a decimal form. Okay, that's fraction 4 over 9. Is it a decimal or can be a decimal fraction? Yes, it can be changed from a fraction to a decimal fraction to write it as a decimal form. Okay, how can I change it from a fraction to a decimal fraction? Okay, I said, what's the meaning of decimal fraction? A fraction that has a denominator of 10. Okay, so can you change it from 5 to 10? Yes, multiply by 2. So I write up 4 multiplied by 2 and down 5 multiplied by 2. Up, it will be 8 over 10. Okay, how can I write it? Okay, I write 0 because I don't have any whole numbers. 0.8. Why 0.8? Because it's just one digit before the point. Okay. Another example, 48 over 40. Okay, can you change it to a fraction with denominator 10? Yes. How? Okay, 40. How can I change it from 40 to 10? Divided by 4. 48 divided by also 4. 40 divided by 4 equal 10. 48 divided by 4 equal 12. Okay. Is it easy? Yes. How can I write it as a decimal form or a decimal number? I write 12. Okay. Down. How many zeros? It's just 1 0. So I will start from right and put the decimal point after just one digit. So it will be 2. And here I write point. So the answer will be 1.2. 1.2. Okay, another example, 12 and 1 over 2. Okay, I'll change it. Yes, it's easy. I write 12. Okay, how can I change from 2 to 10? Okay, multiply by 5, multiply up by 5. 1 times 5 equals 5, 2 times 5 give me 10. It's easy? Yes, it's very easy. So I write the whole number as it is. Okay, 0.5 over 10, it means 0.5. Okay, it's very easy. The place value of decimals. Okay. For example, I have number 125.6. 125.6. Okay, I have two parts. Decimal point, a part to the right and a part to the left. Okay, I'll start first from left. First digit, it's 4 units place. Second digit for tens place. Third digit for hundreds place, and so on. After 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, and so on. Okay. That's for left of the point. At the right of the point, okay, I start from at left I started from units. Okay, here I can't start from units. I start from tens. So the first digit after or before the point will be 4 tenths. What's the meaning of tenths? It means 6/10, a fraction with 10 as a denominator. A fraction with 10 as a denominator. So when I said 5 tenths, can you write it as a fraction? Yes, it's a 5/10. 8 tenths, it will be 8/10, and so on. Okay, so it's easy. Yes, it's easy to know the value and the place value of the digit. For example, 5 in units place, so the value of 5 will be 5. 2 in tens place, so the value of 2 will be 20. 1 in hundreds place, so the value of 1 will be 100. Okay, I think it's very easy. Okay, convert the following to a decimal form. 7/2. Okay, I'll change the denominator to be 10. 2 will be 10 by multiply it or divided by it. Yes, multiply it by 5. So I will multiply up by 5. 7 multiply 5 is 35. Down 2 multiply 5 will be 10. Can you write it as a decimal form? Yes, 35. And write the point just after one digit from right. So the answer will be 3.5. Okay, I'll choose this one to answer it. Okay, 14/20. Can you change from 20 to 10? Yes, how? By divided 20 by 2 and divided 14 by 2 also. 14 divided by 2 give me 7. 20 divided by 2 give me 10. So you can write it as a decimal form. Yes, 7, and I will put the point directly after one digit from right. So I put point here and keep the place of units as, or the place of whole number as 0. So I write 0.7. Okay, it's very easy. Convert the following to a proper fraction or a mixed number. Okay, 0.5. Okay, I write it as a fraction. So I write 5. Okay, up, I will take the number. Down, I will see the point just after one digit, so the denominator will be 10. So it will be 5/10. It's a proper fraction? Yes, it's a proper fraction. Can you change it to mixed number? No, I can't. Okay, for example, another one. Okay, I'll choose D. 1.2. Okay, I write the whole number up as a numerator. 1, 2. Okay, down. The point is after just one digit from right. So the denominator will be 10. So it will be 12/10. Can you change it as a mixed number? Yes, it's improper fraction. So I write 10/10. Okay, plus 2/10. That's right? Yes. So 10/10 equal 1 and 2/10. It's a mixed number. It's a mixed number. Why? Because I have a whole number and a fraction. Okay. I think B and C are very easy. Try to solve them by yourself. Okay, another one. Complete. 7.2 equal what plus 0.2? Okay, 7.2 and 0.2. What did I take? I take 0.2. That's the decimal part from the whole number. So what's the remainder? The whole number, it will be 7. Okay, or the whole number, it will be 7. Okay, another one, for example, C. Okay, 6 plus 0.3. Okay, the whole number is 6.3. Why? Because 6 plus 0 equals 6 and 0.3 as it is. Another one, for example, E. 35 plus 0.9. Okay, right, 35 Okay, why? Because the whole number is 0 plus 35 equal 35.9 is 0.9. Okay, or I can write it as if I said, for example, 35 and 9 over 10. So it's easy to write it as 35.9. Okay. Another one, complete again, question number 4. 1 equal what plus 0.4. Okay, 0.4 plus what equal 1. 1, it's what does you mean by 1? It's 10 over 10, that's right. So I write 10.0. Okay, I write it 10.0, or I write it as 10 over 10 to make it more easier. Okay, 10 over 10. 0.4, it means 4 over 10. So what's remainder from 10 to be 4? It will be 6 over 10. Okay, 6 over 10, it means 0.6. Another one, 0.1, it means 1 over 10 plus 0.2, it means 2 over 10. So what's remainder to be 10 over 10? 1 plus 2 equals 3, so the answer will be 0.7. Okay, I think the answer will be more easier. Try to solve it by yourself. Thank you for listening and have a nice day. Goodbye.